Hello YouTube! Welcome to today's video. And today we'll be doing something quite amazing. And it's actually very complicating. So what we're actually doing this whole episode is making sure this guy can't see through the walls and can't see this guy and start chasing him. We're also gonna make navigation meshes so he can avoid the walls and come around when he does see him. And also we're gonna be making a lot of AI changes. And let's start by deleting what I've done already, because there'll be no point in that. I'm just gonna duplicate that, okay, and I'm just gonna delete. So you might see what I'm doing, but these are all the things that we're gonna be doing today, and it's also gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, and you're gonna see what we're doing, and it's really complex, really easy at the same time. Okay, so here we have our AI bot right now. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a head. Okay, you're gonna say why we're gonna need a head, but we are. Okay, it's gonna be invisible soon. Okay, make a head and then just child it to this cube 1. Okay, now we're gonna drag this AI and put it under that cube 2. Okay, so cube 2 is the moderator of AI. I'm just gonna call this the head and call this the body. Okay, yeah, now now what we're gonna do now is we're going to create 3D cube. Okay, and then we're gonna extend it out and then lift it up, and this is gonna be our cube building block. Okay, and why I'm gonna do this is because we're gonna go click on untagged on cube and type in big wall in tag 0, press enter. Okay, now click back onto the wall, untagged, and click on big wall. Okay, now this is the tag of the wall. Okay, I'm just going to call this wall. Okay, and now I'm going to drag this into my prefabs. Now I have wall, not needed right now. Okay, now another tag that we have to do is click on the FPS controller. It's on untagged right now. Click on player. Okay, it should be predefined. If not, go into add tag. Okay, plus and player. Okay, go back here and click on player. Okay, but since I already have it, I'm just gonna go here and delete it because it might cause errors. Okay, so now we have tagged both of them. Okay, now we're going to create a new script for our head. Okay, and this is gonna be called the look at player script. Okay, now we're gonna double click on this guy. Okay, just gonna wait for it to load. It has opened. Okay, and this is the script that I've already written, so I'm just gonna copy this. I'm not gonna use it, I just need to copy it. Okay, because it's important. Okay, look at player. I'm just gonna you might have seen me do this in my other videos. I just like to keep this as reference here, and whilst I do it with you. Okay, and now we're going to reference all the rain aspects that we need. Rain.core, using rain.memory, certainly memory, certainly action, rain.action, certainly entities, rain.entities, and certainly behavior trees. Okay, well, I don't think we need behavior trees. Okay, we're gonna click do that, bracket rain action in the middle. Okay, and in this we're gonna create a public transform player, capitals, public transform body. Okay, AI rig. Okay, and rig equals get component in children AI rig Okay, and this always seems to work. Okay, I'm gonna save this because this is my 7th retake on this video, and I'm really frustrated by my computer lagging for some odd reasons. Just gonna stop you, quit you, never use you, totally. Don't save. That was my thing, a Bobby. Okay, I feel really bad that I just deleted that, but that's fine, I can just remake that. But okay, let's go back to our script that I was working on. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the update. Okay, bool can look at. Okay, you can call it whatever you want, and then I'm going to go can look at, because rig.ai.working memory.get item boolean is facing. Okay, and sorry, if can look at is equal to true. So this is making sure we can actually look at, because humans have an almost 190-degree angle vision, not 180, because we can kind of look behind our back. So around 200-degree vision, right? And we can't really see behind us, right? And same with the AI. We're going to check if we can see the player, and then we're going to start raycasting at him to see if he's behind a wall or not. Okay, did that make sense? Did it? Okay, so, and now we're going to do transform the look at player. This is a really nifty way to do things. Okay, very easy, smooth way. And if can look at is equal to false, then transform the look at body. So you're just looking at yourself, right? That's what I did. Yep. Okay, now save here. Okay. This code will not work right now. So we have this. We have these two things. Okay, so let's drag in our FPS controller to the player and the bodies to the body to the body. Okay. Now that's done, right? Okay. Now what we're gonna do is add another component called right. Before we do this, we want to go here. I mean here. Okay. So in our previous one, we had should kill checker here. Okay, so we had it like this, right? Okay, now what you're gonna do is click remove component. Okay, you're gonna remove from there. Go to your head and add your should kill checker here, and make sure you drag in your FPS controller for the removable object. Okay, now we're gonna add another one called can kill check, and I'm just gonna create a new script because I've already prototype this, and obviously I gotta prototype before I show you guys, because then I will be messed up. So I'm just gonna, like before, drag this all into here, and this one's quite a complex script, so if you do not have any prior knowledge to Unity scripting, this could be quite difficult. And just like before, go into your look at player script and drag in, copy these and go back to your can kill check and paste all these. Okay, and let's start. Okay, I'm gonna click make a public boolean called can chase, and I'm gonna assign it to false, and AI rig is it to rig raycast hit. This is the area where whatever you hit is stored, and you can access all its game information and all that. Bool locked equals false. Okay. So rig equals get component and children AI rig. Okay, okay, so I'm going to go here. If locked is equal to false. Okay, because, okay, so why I'm doing a locked function is because if I want, like, okay, so once the enemy sees me, I don't want him to, like, not see me again, because that'd be stupid. So I want lock to be, like, once you see it, he's locked. That's it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go if physics dot raycast transform, and if it's a capital T, just hold off and I just click here, click back, dot position transform the have I, there we go. Hold on, there's something wrong. What's wrong? I don't think anything's wrong. Okay, out, hit. Why are you doing this? 30. Okay, and there we go. It's green. Green is good. Okay, and now, sorry about that. Okay, now this is where we check what I've hit. So if I go if hit the transform dot tag equals, you know how we set the tags before? Let's make sure if this is big or not, and if it is, do something, okay? And if hit dot transform dot tag, and the other tag we set was the player. Okay, check that player component, yup. And I'm going to can check chase. Can chase is equal to false, and here can chase is equal to true. You can't chase a wall, so yeah. And can chase. Okay, here's a different code. Okay, see this? rig.ai working memory dot set item, not like read item or something, not get item, set item as a boolean, and you write the name of it in the name of it was, go back here, and we haven't added it yet, so wait for that. Okay, we will add it, and it's gonna be, actually we'll add it now. Add 2 booleans, okay, actually, and also 1 game object. The variable can be can chase. Okay, false right now is facing, and we're gonna call this WPRS. I will tell you what that's for later, and it is quite important though. Okay, now can chase, right? That's what it's called here, can chase, and we're setting the public boolean that we have right now. Okay, and also copy this and paste this here. Okay, and after I've done that, I'm just gonna set lock to true on player. Locked equals true. Okay, now we can see if he can chase or he can't chase. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the coding side of things today. And now is for like checking. Okay, so now we're gonna add a sensor, and it's gonna be called can see. So let's add a visual sensor, and it's called can see, and the range is going to be 100. Okay, and horizontal angle. Okay, so look at this. Okay, you see how this is a horizontal angle, half of his vision, and since people can, normal people, if you look back and back, you can see around 195. I don't want to make it too hard for the players because they can see that they have their back faced on them, but they can still see them. It's kind of weird. So I'm just going to keep it at 180. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. Right, let's do this now. Okay, so can see. Okay. Okay, so that's simplicity right now. And here comes the easy part. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on my patrol and chase. I've changed it, so let's go in here and let's click on patrol and chase 1, which I'm doing. Okay, now what you're gonna do is click on your parallel. This is your patrol and chase for your AI, by the way. Right click on the parallel, create action, detect, and drag it up to the very beginning. Okay, because it's really easy. Okay, sensor is can see, and the target is target, aspect is target, and we're gonna do lol lol lol. Okay, and just do it 3 times like I said in the previous one. I don't know which one. If you do, good for you. Okay, okay, so let's see. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're going to go into this first which one is it, guys? I think I'm in the wrong one. No, I'm not actually. Okay, so once you've added this detect, you're going to click on this constraint. Okay, once you've clicked on this constraint, you're going to put 2 of these lines. So it's a shift, and you know the backward slash, hold shift and 2 backward slashes, but it'll come up as lines, and that means or. Okay, and you're going to can chase is equal to false, is equal to false. Okay, now what you're going to do is go to your waypoint patrol and change the waypoint route to WPRS. Okay, and go to move and change it to WPR. Okay, that's quite easy. Okay, now what you're going to do is go into your other constraint, and where it says target is not equal to null, and chase can chase is equal to true. Okay, just changing. I'll explain this all at the end. Okay, we did can kill. Okay, now this is the part that we haven't done, so I'm just going to delete this one and delete this one. Okay, parallel, create decisions constraint, and create decisions constraint. Okay, under this for this constraint, we're going to do lol is equal to null. Okay, and if lol is equal to none, create expression, and this expression can say is facing equals false. Okay, and lol is not equal to null, and let's create an expression, and let's say is facing is equal to true. Okay, and now it should work. Everything should work. Okay, except for a few things. Okay, now what we have actually done here. Okay, let's delete you. Okay, and let's go here, head, mesh render on check. Okay, make sure you did that. Everything's set. Okay, and one last thing, go into the AI of your enemy, go into your memory and your WPRS, drag in your waypoint route here. Okay, and the reason I did this, for example, I had more than one enemy. Okay, and since they're the same behavior tree, this one will go to this one as well. But I don't want it to go to the same waypoint route. I might want it to go on a different waypoint route. Okay, so all I have to do is click on the second AI, and once I do that, change the waypoint route from waypoint route to waypoint route 1, and this one will follow this one, and this AI will follow this one. Okay, and it's all just to keep everything organized and simple and not making a million behavior trees, because who would do that? Okay, now where is our wall? Okay, let's enter in a wall. Okay, we're gonna make sure. Oh no. My god. Oh, I thought it was in pause and I just did everything in pause. What's this? Go away. Okay, so let's play. Okay, so I feel like this is too slow. Okay, waypoint control, move speed 8. Okay, And as you can see, because we defined the game object, each one is doing its own thing. And look at this, okay? This, okay, hold on. I just need to get in their range. Hold on. I'm just going to put this wall right here. Well, I'm concealed though. And I'm going to put one here, but not getting in the way of them. I'm also going to rotate this a little bit here. And not the best design, but please excuse me. And let me bring this one here and here. Okay, I'm going to drop him there. Okay, look at this skill, okay? This guy comes here, okay? Okay, so he sees him, obviously, and goes there because I kept the poor FPS controller outside to die. Okay, I'm gonna keep you there. And then this one's just gonna come here. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see, this pink one is actually on that FPS controller, but it didn't even chase him, okay? Because this is because it's behind a wall and all our hard work, and this is what it's for, okay? And I'm gonna show the head at work, okay? Mesh renderer, okay? Look how the head is looking towards him, okay? It's actually looking towards the player, okay? It's facing the player and looking at him constantly, okay? But he can't do anything about it, okay? But wait for it. Let me check my scene, okay? When he's going back, this guy won't be able to see us when we follow him because this is okay. So obviously we have done something wrong because he can see us in our 180 degree vision. Let's check. I just need to do something. Okay, I need to check. Okay, he shouldn't. Okay, so our is facing is still like that. And that's bad. So let's go back. Okay, so we did. I did two equal signs. I'm gonna just make it one because that's not right. Okay, now when he's coming back and he's going back, if I go behind him, he can't see me because he's just like a normal human being, right? And he has a 180 degree vision and he can't see me until he turns around and he's seen me, okay? He's mad now. He's seen me. Okay, and he's just following me right now, going crazy. Right? Okay, but what if I go behind? Oh, the other guy saw me, so yeah. See, they're now acting like real beings. Okay? But there's one more thing we actually have to add in order for him to work like a real being. Okay, so they can't maneuver these type of areas like this. Okay, so for that we're going to create a new navigation mesh, and a navigation mesh is quite simple actually. What it does is it creates paths, okay, and it's like highlights where the where the enemy can go and where it can't go. Okay, and I think I've made it big. Okay, make sure this whole area is, you make it big enough so it fits this whole area. Go under so you can like probably see it. And then once you do that, you're gonna make the walkable height around 10. I mean not 10, 1. And generate the navigation mesh. It will take quite a while. Okay, mine didn't actually take that long. But once it's done, it should be like this, right? And now if we remove these two walls, okay, and now we look at it, you can see this. Okay, the white part is where you can't, the AI cannot go. Okay, so I'm just gonna reposition the walls. Okay, and now I'm gonna make the game a little bit harder. Okay, we're just gonna set a little objective. And we're gonna make little peek holes, right, like peeky holes, so he can like see us. Well, okay, so no, actually no. And let's make it really hard. Okay, so this can be our like startup room, and then like 90 degrees, and then you have to go through here without being detected, and there's like patrolling here, so you can get here. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this quick random level for no reason, just to like prove how good this is actually. And this is where our waypoint things come in handy. Okay, so I'm just gonna duplicate it. Okay, and then I'm gonna set waypoint number 2 to be like in a straight line. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do is click on body 2, head AI. I'm just showing you the power of what we've done today. Okay, so let me highlight it while I'm making this. So basically what we've done today is make sure the enemy can't see through the walls, and make sure the enemy only has a 180-degree vision, so he can like turn around 360 degrees. And we also made sure that each enemy can have their own little waypoint system. Okay, which is actually quite awesome. And this is actually how games are developed, except they make their own Rain AI. They don't use assets, but actually Rain is a home to many famous games. It's not any simple type of game development engine. It's really powerful, and you would know that because how many lines of code have we actually done this whole time? Like just a few, just like 20, 30, and we have a fully functional stealth game right now. Okay, let me play this. And as we can see, each enemy has... Okay, calm down. This one's went off course, and that's because we forgot to assign the waypoint route, and that's waypoint 3. Okay. Okay, so okay. Oh, okay, this guy's seen us, okay? That would be, okay, now both of them have seen us, and they're returning, okay? And this is because I accidentally added this timer thing where they get really bored, okay? So they can get bored and stuff. I'm just gonna remove this, delete this, okay? Oh no! Someone else saw me. So this is how hard this game basically is. So I was actually getting into the moment then, guys. We've created a monster. No, I'm joking. This game is epic without this awesome stuff. And this is just gonna be a quick level design, so I can actually hide and stuff like that. And I'm gonna make like a quick little mission, and my mission is to get into... my mission's gonna be let's play the game. Okay, we'll see what our mission is then. Please, heaven have seen me. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Oh no, I'm sorry. Don't do these. Don't do these. Don't do these to me. Okay. a high-speed chase apparently. Oh, okay, okay. Oh my god. Do you know how good this game is? Oh my god. I'm actually really excited. And guess what we're making next? Security cameras. See you next time, guys. And have fun till then.